Hi viewers, welcome to TechRaf Katha. I'm Shakil. Today I'll show you which software we can use alternative of TeamViewer. Let's start. Search any desk. Go to the AnyDesk page and download AnyDesk. Start downloading. Just say it's very light software. Now open or double click on this. It's already done. Okay, but for future use we can install this in our computer. Click install AnyDesk on this computer. This is file path. Accept and install. Get started. Done. Okay, we can set our fixed password. This is the option. Set password for unattended access. You should always set your password for security. Then go to enable unattended access. Click this one and set your password. Then click apply. That's done. It's really easy and also very light software, and it's a alternative software of TeamViewer. Hope you guys enjoy this. If you want to connect anyone, just take his ID. This is my ID. That's like this. Everybody have a new ID, or everybody must have ID. Use this ID and paste it here and click connect. Let's try. Okay, so such as I want to connect this ID, paste it remote desk here and connect. It will want password. Just give the password. Click this one for future use. It will no need again enter password. If you tick this one, then press OK. Connection establishing. This is done. This is the way how can use AnyDesk alternative of TeamViewer.